Hey, James here. I just got my Dodow in the mail. I wanted to do a little unboxing video for you. Some people you see it pronounced all kinds of crazy ways. Dodow, Dodow. No, it's just Dodow. Don't overthink it. Let's just get this thing open and see what it is. And just in case you're wondering, I'm not wearing any glasses to be cool. They're subscription. I do a lot of computer work, so they're keep my eyeballs safe because I'm almost clinically blind. They're prescription. So there you go. Alright, so we're getting it open. Let's bring it over here to our workspace. And yeah, I can already see it. It's pretty cool. As you can see, brand new in the wrapper. Let's open it up here. Find a little tool here to get it started. Recommend just a pair of scissors or something. Get it started, get it unwrapped. I like it. It's really, it's not too thick, but it's really stiff plastic as far as durable. It's very durable. So you can see there's no. I hate it whenever I get something in the mail and the box is all kinked and busted. There's none of that. Okay, so what we do, I believe, is we just slide it open. So we'll slide it open out of its little covering here. And then we will just open it up. Very cool. Let's see what we got here. Oops. Nice little set of instructions. Multiple languages, always good. Nice little instruction manual. Oh, it gives you a sleep code. I'm not going to show you all of mine, but it gives you a little sleep code. So I guess you can download. Yeah, you can log into your Dodow account and get your sleep code. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. Nice little instruction booklet. Very well done. Very high quality. Let's get to the actual machine itself. It is, it's like it's memory foam. So it comes packed pretty good in here. And what I like especially is it comes with batteries. So I've got this little battery pack. I just so happen to have several batteries ready to go anyway, but let's see what's all involved here. So let's see. Just pop open the back, which I'm sure you could do with your fingers if you had fingernails. I just use it like a little piece of butter knife or something. Just pops open. It's got your spot for your batteries. So let's see here. That's easy enough. And these are indeed AAA batteries. You need 3 of them. Like I say, that comes with it. For the sake of the video, I'm just putting these in here. I have batteries everywhere. And then you've got the nice blue light, lets you know that you got it on. put the clip hole back in, put this back on, clip it, and you're ready to go. I'm trying to put it to where you can see the light without it. So now, I've just got to go through the settings and see how it works. Okay, you can see it turns off. It has an automatic turn off. And you can press down lightly on the surface with three fingers, release. So you touch it once for 8-minute mode, which I would love if I could go to sleep in 8 minutes. Touch it twice for 20-minute mode. And I guess the mechanism is it helps our imbalances that we have in our autonomic nervous system. And as it runs, it slows your breathing just by you following the light. So I'm going to press once. And I can see that it is making a lot on the screen. So if I could show you an easy way in this video. So that would be how, like an inhale, exhale, I believe. Your metabolism will slow down, secretion of neurotransmitters will stop, and your body will be completely relaxed. Huh. You can also go to www.Dodow, but with a W at the end.com video. So there are lots of different exercises in here that you can do. That's cool. Well, I'm going to check it out tonight. I'll probably make a video of it with it dark. But as you can see, that's it all unboxed. If I want to rebox it, three fingers, light touch, turned it right off. So I'll keep it together with the little ring. Then this fits nice and neat back in here. This here. So if I ever wanted to store it, but I think this is going to go by my bedside. And then you got it right here. Nice in the pack. If you want to store it, you want to take it with you, but have it all together on a trip. That's what I plan on doing. Like some of my trips to Vegas where the sleep's irregular and you have to get to sleep at some point. You'll turn out the lights, set this on the nightstand, let it do its thing and project its light, and follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. So that's my unboxing video. The next video will be showing me doing some of the exercises, and we'll test the memory on my phone and see if I fall asleep or not. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Click the link below. Should be right below. Get yours today. It's an amazing little machine. I can't wait to put it into real action I'm very impressed with the way it came shipped. And that's it. Have a good night's sleep.